So we moved into this house a year ago. This is obviously not the house. This is our barn. This is outside. We have been working on it, clearing it out. Believe it or not, this whole entire area was just piled from top to bottom because the previous owners just left crap in it. This is the top floor. There's a bottom floor that we're still going through. But anyways, if you can hear, there is a baby bird's nest in there somewhere. I can't really move this. Pretty sure it's a crow, but anyways, so above me, if you can't see, there's beams, there's chicken wire, and then there's hay as the ceiling. Me and my husband are not looking forward to taking this down, but it has to take down for this reason. If you can't tell, let me see if we can get, those are a bunch of dead birds. There is probably, I'm counting 6. I think there's 7 if you go like way back there. But it's seriously disgusting and disturbing, honestly. And I just want to be done. But anyways, I guess this is what we get. But yeah, it's disgusting.